In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect discovery and delivery in Jira. We're going to walk through the process of creating a Jira product discovery space and then linking a delivery work item so your ideas and execution stay connected in one workflow. This is useful when you want to track how a product idea moves from planning into actual delivery work. To begin, go to the Spaces area in Jira and click the plus icon. This is where you can create a new space and start setting up the environment you'll use for discovery. Next, scroll down through the available options and click on Jira Product Discovery. This opens the Discovery Setup area where Jira gives you templates designed to help organize ideas, priorities, and product opportunities. From there, click on Product Discovery. You'll then see the option to use a template. Click Use Template to continue. Using a template helps you get started faster, especially if you want a structure that already supports product discovery best practices. Now enter a name for your new space. Choose something clear and recognizable so it's easy to find later, especially if your team works across multiple spaces or projects. After naming the space, select the access level you want for it. This determines who can view or contribute to the discovery space, so choose the setting that best matches how your team collaborates. Once that's done, click Create Space. Jira will begin setting everything up for you. Give it a moment to load completely before moving on. Depending on your workspace and connection speed, this may take a few seconds. When the space is ready, go to the Delivery Progress section. This is the area where Discovery starts connecting with actual Jira work items used by delivery teams. In Delivery Progress, click Link a Jira work item. This opens the linking window where you can associate your idea with a piece of delivery work already being tracked in Jira. Next, select the space you want to pull the work item from. Make sure you choose the correct one so the right team or project is connected to your discovery item. After that, select the work item you want to link. This could be the task, issue, or delivery item that represents the work needed to move the idea forward. Finally, click Add. Once you do that, the connection is created, and your discovery item will now be linked to delivery work in Jira. This makes it much easier to track progress, maintain visibility, and keep product planning aligned with execution. And that's it. You've successfully connected discovery and delivery in Jira.